You've got 500 products in your Shopify store. Cost just changed, and you need to set margin to 60% for all of them. 2 minutes, let me show you how. Here's the problem. Shopify already shows you margin inside admin, but there is no way to change it directly. You can only change price and see how the margin will adjust accordingly. This works fine for one product, but if you have hundreds of products, it is too much manual work. We will be using Platmart Bulk Price Editor. It's an app that I created specifically for bulk price operations. It has one little known feature that allows you to set prices based on target margin. Inside app, we need to go to Create Task, and we will see a bunch of actions that we can take on a price. We can increase it, we can decrease it, we can set new price, but in our example, we need to set a margin. Quick note that this action will only work for products that already have cost per item set in Shopify. If some products don't have this field, then they will be skipped because we can't calculate new price correctly. Let's set margin to 60% and let's select the product. We can also apply the same changes to wall store, to selected collections or selected tags. Let's click Create. Now the app will start running. It will load prices from Shopify, make a backup, and then calculate new price based on cost per item. Once it's complete, we can go to Details, and here we can see that our price was changed from 100 to 125. Let's go back to Shopify and verify changes. Yes, the new price was set, and if we click on Details, we can see that margin now is set to 60%. This is how you can easily change price based on target margin using Platmart Price Editor. Now, if you want to roll back these changes, you can do it in one click. You can go back to the list and click rollback and confirm it. The app will restore the original prices, and if you go back to Shopify, you can see that the price is now set back to 100. So that's bulk margin editing. It works for selected products, it works for collections, it works for wall store, and the app makes backup for every single change, so you can undo them if needed. Link to the app in the description. If you are running a store where prices are changing often, this will save you hours of work. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next video. Bye.